Let's face it, not all cars are created equal. Some are rolling money pits, while others run forever with barely a squeak. If you're spending your hard-earned cash on a new ride in 2025, you need to know which cars will reward you and which ones will wreck your wallet. From sketchy reliability to plummeting resale value, these four cars are the ones you'll want to run away from. But don't worry, we're also giving you four smart alternatives that are known for reliability, performance, and long-term peace of mind. Whether you're shopping sedans, SUVs, or something in between, this list has what you need. Nissan Ultima. The Ultima may have a familiar name, but its CVT transmission continues to be one of the most problematic in the segment. Despite a comfortable ride, the four-cylinder CVT combo is notorious for early failures, rough shifting, and sluggish acceleration. Many owners report transmission replacements under 100,000 miles, and that's just unacceptable in 2025. Handling is loose, steering feels vague, and overall responsiveness is far from class-leading. Fuel economy is decent, but that doesn't save it from costly long-term maintenance. While the styling is modern, the quality is skin-deep. Reports of flimsy panels, fading trim, and thin paint are common, especially in harsh climates. Even minor impacts can lead to expensive cosmetic repairs. Compared to rivals, it feels less refined and less durable. Cheap-feeling materials, an infotainment system that lags behind the competition, and below-average seat comfort. Road noise easily penetrates the cabin, and insulation feels weak even on base trims. Tech support is minimal, and the cabin just doesn't feel competitive for the price point. It's not a place you'll enjoy spending time in, especially over years of ownership. The Nissan Ultima is no longer the reliable commuter it once was. Transmission problems, rapid depreciation, and weak interior quality make this a car to steer far away from. And if you think the Ultima is bad, wait until you see what's going wrong under the hood of this American crossover. Chevrolet Equinox. Despite repeated updates, the Chevy Equinox continues to fall behind in reliability, performance, and long-term value. Underwhelming turbocharged engines that struggle with acceleration and often experience turbo lag. Transmission tuning feels inconsistent, especially in stop-and-go traffic. Some powertrain configurations are known for early oil leaks and engine hesitation. Compared to rivals like the CR-V or CX-5, it's simply outclassed. Visually bland, with an aging design that Chevrolet has stretched too far. Poor paint durability and body panel misalignment are common complaints. Even newer models don't hide their cost-cutting very well. It's serviceable at best: hard plastics, outdated infotainment, and minimal cargo space for the class. The rear seats are less spacious than competitors, and the overall cabin experience feels cheap. Tech glitches are frequent, especially in the touchscreen and backup camera systems. You'll feel like you overpaid, even if you got a deal. The Equinox is a budget compact SUV that charges a premium without delivering the goods. Better options are everywhere, and this one's a ticking reliability time bomb. Next, a luxury brand sedan that proves premium badges don't always mean premium quality. Infiniti Q50. Infiniti's Q50 still looks sleek, but underneath that stylish sheet metal is a tech platform stuck in 2015 and a reliability record that's even worse. The twin-turbo V6 sounds exciting, but it's known for inconsistent throttle response and overheating under pressure. Steering-by-wire feels disconnected and unreliable, especially in snow or emergency handling. Transmission jerks are common, and the ride can feel bouncy on uneven pavement. It wants to be sporty, but feels like a rough draft. Still sharp-looking, but it's a design that's been largely unchanged for nearly a decade. Door seals, exterior trim, and even lighting components tend to degrade quicker than rivals. Paint protection is weak, especially on lower trims. Dual touchscreen setup is confusing, laggy, and clearly outdated in 2025. Cabin quality is hit or miss. Leather in some areas, cheap plastic in others. Rear space is cramped, and user interface issues plague long-term usability. Despite the price, it feels unfinished. The Q50 is a luxury name without the modern experience to back it up. Expensive to maintain, hard to resell, and loaded with aging tech, it's not worth the premium. And finally, a once proud American SUV that simply refuses to evolve, and it's costing drivers dearly. Jeep Compass. Jeep's smallest SUV continues to disappoint, with reliability ratings in the basement and driving dynamics that lag far behind its rivals. The Compass is slow, loud, and underpowered, especially with the 2.4L Tiger Shark engine. Transmission lag, unrefined gear changes, and engine stalling have been widely reported. Fuel efficiency is subpar, and AWD models don't justify the extra cost. Yes, it has that classic Jeep face, but the quality doesn't match the brand image. Exterior trim peels quickly, and underbody rust is already a known issue. Owners report creaky doors and misaligned panels within the first year. Interior plastics feel brittle, and the seats lack cushioning for longer drives. Infotainment updates are slow, and tech features are unreliable across trim levels. Cargo space is disappointing for an SUV this size. The rugged look masks a seriously underwhelming driving experience. Despite its off-road branding, the Compass is unreliable, uncomfortable, and overpriced. You'll regret this one long before the lease ends, and mechanics agree. Say goodbye to breakdowns and headaches. Up next are 4 of the best cars in 2025 that mechanics actually recommend. Toyota Corolla Hybrid. The Corolla Hybrid doesn't just sip fuel, it sips maintenance costs too. Known for bulletproof reliability and excellent fuel economy, this car is a commuter's dream. It blends Toyota's hybrid experience with legendary durability, making it a top buy for 2025. Mechanics love it because it rarely, if ever, ends up in their shop. Smooth acceleration, ultra-quiet operation, and a seamless hybrid transition make for a refined ride. It delivers up to 50+ mpg with no sacrifice in drivability. Handling is surprisingly nimble, especially in city traffic and tight turns. Toyota's hybrid system is tested, proven, and requires minimal upkeep. A clean, modern design with LED lighting and aerodynamic lines. It's compact, but not boring, especially with the new nightshade and trims. Paint quality is excellent, and panel fitment is consistently solid. Nothing flashy, but nothing that wears down either. Soft touch materials, intuitive climate controls, and an infotainment system that just works. Rear seat room is respectable, and visibility is outstanding. Everything feels well thought out, with great build consistency. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, with no subscription gimmicks. This is the type of car that just keeps going. Low cost to own, zero drama, and legendary reliability. It's the perfect practical daily driver. Need something bigger, but just as reliable? This next midsize SUV offers it all, and then some. Mazda CX50. Mazda's CX50 brings SUV utility, sleek design, and long-lasting quality into one unbeatable package. It's got the soul of a driver's car and the bones of something built to endure harsh roads. With strong owner satisfaction and top-tier reliability, it's one of the smartest SUV choices today. Mechanics appreciate its simplicity and build precision, fewer issues, fewer complaints. Available with a naturally aspirated or turbocharged engine, both offer smooth power delivery. AWD is standard, and the suspension is tuned for comfort and agility. It handles better than most rivals, almost like a lifted sports sedan. Fuel economy is solid, and the drivetrain is extremely low maintenance. A bold front grille, athletic stance, and rugged fender flares make it stand out in a crowded SUV market. LED headlights and high ground clearance give it a premium adventure-ready look. You'll get compliments on it, even in a Target parking lot. Build quality is tight, and weather sealing is excellent. Upscale touches like contrast stitching, real metal accents, and ergonomic seating. Tech is simple to use, no overwhelming screens or confusing menus. Cabin noise is minimal, and materials feel way more premium than its price suggests. It's comfortable for families, commuters, and road trippers alike. The CX50 combines driving joy rugged reliability, and value in a near-perfect blend. It's not just another SUV, it's one you'll actually enjoy owning for the long haul. Ready to treat yourself to something more premium without sacrificing reliability? This next pick is where luxury meets longevity. Lexus ES300H. The ES300H is the car that proves luxury and long-term dependability can coexist. Quiet, elegant, and built with Toyota's rock-solid hybrid tech, this sedan is a hidden gem. Mechanics respect its simplicity and longevity. This one's in it for the long run. It's not flashy, it's just flawless where it matters most. A smooth hybrid powertrain delivers ample torque and top-tier fuel economy. Ride quality is pillow soft, while steering remains responsive and composed. You'll forget you're driving, and that's a compliment. Zero fuss, zero strain, and a drivetrain built to go 300,000 plus miles. Sharp LED lighting, a bold spindle grille, and subtle chrome accents. Sleek but dignified, it looks premium without screaming for attention. Paint finish is immaculate, and the design ages beautifully. It stands out for its grace, not aggression. Cabin materials rival German competitors at half the price. Whisper quiet ride, soft leather seating, and seamless hybrid displays. Every button feels crafted, not just placed. Lexus nails comfort and simplicity like no one else. It's the luxury car you can hand down, and it'll still feel like new. Bulletproof hybrid tech plus Lexus craftsmanship equal automotive peace of mind. Now let's wrap up with a fun-to-drive hatchback that brings smiles, savings, and serious dependability. Ford Maverick Hybrid. Who knew one of the best cars in 2025 would be a compact hybrid truck from Ford? The Maverick Hybrid is the definition of utility, affordability, and surprise reliability. It's efficient, fun to drive, and tougher than it looks, and mechanics are big fans. This truck is changing minds and winning hearts across the country. The hybrid engine offers smooth acceleration and up to 40 mpg in the city. It's no F-150, but it'll handle hauling, commuting, and weekend projects with ease. Steering is responsive, and the low ride height makes it easy for anyone to drive. Ford nailed the powertrain. It's dependable and low cost to maintain. Boxy, bold, and useful, the Maverick makes compact look cool. The bed is functional and designed with smart accessories like the FlexBed system. Clean lines and great paint quality make it look much more expensive than it is. It blends urban practicality with light-duty toughness. Smart, simple, and shockingly roomy. Durable materials that are easy to clean and made to last. Infotainment is quick, with standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It doesn't pretend to be luxurious, it's just genuinely well built. The Maverick Hybrid offers the best of everything: truck utility, car comfort, and hybrid savings. It's proof that clever design and real-world reliability still matter. Whether you're buying your first car or upgrading in 2025, the data is clear. Not all cars are built the same. According to Consumer Reports, the worst-rated brands consistently suffer from reliability issues, high repair costs, and low owner satisfaction. Mechanics back this up. These are the cars they see in the shop way too often. On the flip side, the best cars on our list are praised for long-term dependability, low maintenance, and solid resale value. They're not just good on paper, they're great in real life. If you want to drive smarter, save money, and avoid endless garage visits, follow what real data and real experts are saying. Subscribe now for more no-fluff car rankings, ownership tips, and buyer alerts trusted by thousands of smart drivers. Don't forget to like and drop a comment if one of these cars surprised you or burned you in the past. Hit the bell so you never miss out on your next smart buy or your next big mistake to avoid.